Good morning, everyone. Today is March 29th, and Friday, March, I'm going to do it. Good thing you're patient. Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, March 29th, and when I woke up this morning, I was 62.35 kilos. So no gain and no loss since yesterday. Let's take a look at the numbers. In terms of total calories, 1,533 calories, 112 grams of protein. I walked 21,333 steps. 21,333 steps, 15.3 or 6 kilometers. I broke my fast around 10 a.m. with a coffee with milk. Had my shake a little later, and then I had my salad with 2 eggs that I added. And I wasn't too honest, like some people meal prep for the week and they eat the same thing Monday to Thursday or to Friday. Same breakfast, so 5 of the same breakfast. Same lunch and same dinner. I alternate. Yes, it takes me more time, but I can't have a lot of respect for you if you eat 4 to 5 times the same lunch and the same dinner. Like, I'm super bored and I'm gonna have my salad today, and I don't really want my dates to the salad to make it nicer. So anyways, yeah, I had my salad with 2 eggs, and then later on my last meal was the seitan with broccoli and basmati rice. I started with a leek soup, and I had a little bit of gorgonzola cheese with crackers. I had 3 squares of chocolate, so yesterday was a bit of a I need chocolate in my life. And yeah, I had a really good day overall. I did a upper body training, so it was very busy at the gym because it was, Easter holidays. The gym had different schedules, and so it was really busy, but I managed to get all my machines. I did all my workouts. It's going to be the same today. And we're doing legs. It's going to be very busy. So the gym is open between 11 and 2 p.m. So everybody comes for lunch at the same time. Anyways, yesterday was a really good day. I said bye to everyone. I started saying bye to everyone. And I walked. It was pretty good. It's the end, so I'm starting to feel like it's time to transition. But overall, a very good day. I walked. I had these lovely coffees, and I had my preps. Yeah, I added 2 eggs because I was in the mood for eggs. So I had a salad with 2 eggs yesterday. I might do the same thing today. Other than that, I think that's it, guys. I had a really good day. An outfit today that I wore when I started taking videos, so I can do a before after. So I'm going to take my measurements here, and I will then compare. You might not see the difference, but you might see it. I think it's time to end this video. She's like, I'm done with this. I'm so sorry. Cats. They are amazing. You don't want to say bye-bye. I'm going to say bye to you. So have a lovely day. Yeah. Have a lovely day. And I will see you tomorrow for feedback on today. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. To the camera.
It's less than 23.
Okay. That's okay. That's okay. Bye, guys. You gotta watch me and think that you're a pretty princess. You don't want to see
2 inches. 2
it's time
inches
to take the
on this
measurements.
leg.
That's why she's looking that way, because it's time to go take the measurements. Smart girl. Okay, I go take the measurements. Let's do this.